Today we will learn about the area of a square. We learned that area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. We also know the number of squares enclosed in the whole region represents the area of that figure. Today we will learn how to find the area of a square. Look at this square with sides 5 cm. Let's find its area. To find its area, we will use a square paper or graph paper where the sides of each square is 1 cm long. In this way, the area of each square will be taken as 1 square centimeter, which can be abbreviated as 1 square centimeter. Next, we will make an outline of this figure on a squared paper. In the previous video, we learned a convention to calculate the area of a figure. You may recall the convention by pausing the video. Let's find out the area of the square using the convention. Rule 1. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. We observe that the unit distance in this figure is 1 centimeter. Therefore, here the area of one full square with side 1 centimeter will be 1 square centimeter. In the square shown, we observe that the total number of squares are 25. Since the area of one full square is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area enclosed by 25 squares is 25 multiplied by 1 square centimeter is equal to 25 square centimeter. Rule 2. Ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. We notice that this figure does not have such squares. Rule 3. If more than half of a square is in a region, consider its area as 1 square centimeter. We don't see such squares here. Rule 4. If exactly half the square is counted, take its area as half square centimeter. We don't have half squares here. With this, we conclude the total area of the square to be 25 square centimeter. What do we infer from the length of the sides and the area of this square? Think for a while. If we multiply the length of the side by itself, we get 5 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter is equal to 25 square centimeter, which is the area of this square. In this way, the area of any square is the result of side multiplied by side. We can also conclude this using a different approach. In geometry, we learned that a square is also a rectangle. In the previous video, we learned that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width. But in the case of a square, all sides are equal. Therefore, we can write the length of the side in place of the length and width. In this way, area of the square can be written as side multiplied by side. Hence, the result obtained by multiplying the side of a square by itself is the area of that square. Now, will you be able to find the area of a square with side 20 mm? Try it. Let me tell you how. We know that the area of a square is side multiplied by side. Therefore, here the area of the square will be 20 mm multiplied by 20 mm is equal to 400 square millimeter. Today we learned the area of a square. In the next video, we will see some interesting examples related to it.